There's signs down there, and there's a reason why you don't bring dogs out on the hills on farmland, for this exact reason. Well, good morning. Another day of feckin' rain. The rain wasn't supposed to be coming in till later on, but it's here now. My plan was to go up to Loch Mhúscraí, then up to O'Loughlin's castle, and then there's an airplane crash up there that I wanted to see, and I was hoping to get it done before the rain came in, because it's fully fogged out at the moment. So look, let's go to Loch Mhúscraí and see where we go from there. If it's too bad, at least I'm out on the trail anyway. But I definitely know there's a lot of strong wind coming in there later on, so let's see what happens. Nice to be out on the trail again. A load of deer. I'll never be able to get close to them. I saw a deer on the phone, and I went down a bit, tried to see them. I saw their hoof prints, alright, but I didn't see where they went. I was like a creep crawling around the woods. It's so sad, like you're seeing a beautiful deer in a fawn there, and then you see all this. Yep. I can't go on another rant. I am craving for a cup of coffee. This is my second trip with the handwag boots. I'm not sure I'm gonna have to break these in. They're so comfortable. I'm not sure whether that's down to the insoles that I put on. There's no soreness anywhere. Yeah, really happy with them anyway. I brought them out on the trail to the woods there last week. But what I did notice is they soaked in a lot of water, so that means I didn't condition them as much as I should have. So yesterday, I think I did about 5 different layers until it was all dried in. And then I put waterproofing on them, but you can see the difference straight away. You can see the water beating off it, and the water isn't holding in the leather. I don't mind it on the leather, but in the leather is where the issue comes. So far so good. No, they're holding the water repellency. Is that a word? Repellency? It is now. It's my word, not yours. It's mine. Water repellency. Ah, yeah. Anyway. nothing worse than rain and heat. I'm sweating. I left my glasses in the car. Now I'm squinty Max, squint face. Nearly up at Loch Mhúscraí now. The weather coming back in. I was getting a bit hopeful that we'd be able to get to O'Loughlin's castle, but yeah, I'm not going to chance it. Plus, my watch has a storm alarm function, and literally a few minutes ago the watch pinged with the storm alarm on it. So I knew there was a lot of wind coming in the afternoon, so look, let's go up and have a nice coffee at the lake. Pity, but sure, look, we'll come back here. Maybe we'll try come back here and camp. Weather's been shocking lately though. We're getting fogged in. Oh, I'm starving. Time for a coffee. Look how calm it is here. And my watch has gone off twice in the last half hour with a storm alert. So yeah, I was checking the weather there. It's coming in the next hour, so I need to start making tracks, start making my way down. Just met a lovely guy there. He has 2 West Highland Terriers, but one of them got spooked by sheep, and he thinks that the dog got kicked by a sheep because he got caught up with them, he said. So I really hope he finds them. There's nothing worse than having a missing dog. I took his number and I'll try to ring him on the way back if I see him, but look, there's signs down there, and there's a reason why you don't bring dogs out on the hills on farmland, for this exact reason. But look, don't get me wrong, and I really hope that he finds the dog. But yeah, poor fella. Okay, I hope that guy finds that dog, and I hope there's no sheep injured. It's just not a good scenario, being totally honest. The weather's still great, and like, the storm should be here right now, and it's not here. So look, better safe than sorry. I would have loved to have went up to the castle, but look, I might go back there and camp sometime. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and please hit the subscribe button and share this with your friends. And yeah, get out in the hills. It's the only thing for you. Right, have a good one. Bye. Happy ending. Lovely couple from Kildare. They found the dog down at the car park. He was there for the last 40 minutes. Yeah, I just rang him there and he's on his way up to, yeah, brilliant. Happy ending. Don't bring your dog in the hills. That's all I'd say. All right, mind yourself. Have a good one. Thanks very much. Bye.